Instant Pot dried beans and rice. Elevate your grain bowl or burrito bowl night with this Mexican-inspired Instant Pot recipe. It is quick to assemble with pantry-handy organic dried beans and brown rice, making it perfect for those hustle-filled days. Packed with resistant starch and a variety of plant fibers, Instant Pot dried beans and rice isn't just a treat for your taste buds, but a boost for your microbiome. These elements feed your gut's beneficial bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate to combat inflammation and disease. On a protective diet, the recipes guide you to enhance meals with colorful, high-fiber garnishes rich in prebiotics, probiotics, and polyphenols. These not only elevate the flavor profile, but also bolster gut health and immunity. This beans and rice recipe is more than a meal. It's a comprehensive feast for your microbiome, promising a healthier, happier you with every bite. When our beneficial microbes are well fed fiber, they release hormones that help regulate our feelings of fullness and satisfaction, naturally reducing cravings and caloric consumption, and contribute to a sense of calm and relaxation.